What's up, you guys? Right now I'm gonna show you how I pack and ship my items. I know I look a little crazy with this head strap on, but I'm doing this for you guys, so hopefully I don't butcher it. I tried to do this one last time and the angle will just reel off, so I'm just trying to see if I can fix it so y'all can better see what I'm doing. So yeah, let's go. Today we're gonna pack up 2 orders. We got an eBay order on these pair of shoes right here. We sold them. We paid $10 for these, and then we sold these Hirachis. Oh, are these it? Yeah, they are. All right, so first we're gonna take off the price tag on those with the hair dryer. Get our Scotty peeler here. Easy. And then we're gonna take off this other one right here. And it comes off just like that. This one was way messier than the other one. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna pack these. They're in a half box. Still a box, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do for these. These are kind of some bigger shoes. We're gonna use a 1095 box, the biggest box. These are the shoe boxes, 1093 I think. I don't know, I forgot the small one, and this is the big one. As you guys can see, I got the 1095 box here. Is free USPS box. Okay, so we're gonna make a small indentation on the box with the side of this box, like so. We're gonna make a line like this, sideways of the box, not down. Okay, I already have a preset here. This is the same length as that side. So we're just gonna make an indentation here with the scissors. You don't want to cut it, because if you cut it, then you're gonna have an open box. You want to make the crease on the side where there's 2 red lines, not the one. So we're gonna flip it over. Here, 2 red lines, 2 red lines, not the one line. And then we're gonna cut it. All 4 sides. And after you cut it, we're gonna try to fold it. This is what I do. Take it on both sides and I just push it up against me, and it folds into with that crease that we just made. And I just fold it more like this, and then we're gonna do the same with the other side. So fold it. This would be easier if I made this a little more deeper. I know I said not to do it too hard, but sometimes you want to be able to fold this down easily. But here we got it. So now we're just gonna tape it. So we're just gonna grab the shoes. They're looking pretty fresh. Perfect fit. And we're just gonna grab our thank you note. But first we're gonna weigh it. That weighs 3 pounds. Get the dimensions of this box. Write our thank you note. Close that bad boy up. Get that Rolo real quick. Yes, sir. Alright, you guys, so now I'm gonna show you how I pack the shoes without a box. So just get a regular shoe box here, and then I bubble wrap the shoes. So I get the 2 pieces. These are fairly small, so. And I don't have to weigh these because Poshmark already has a shipping label. I take the shoes, I wrap them in bubble wrap. These are some new Huarache that I sold on Poshmark. So for Poshmark, you don't gotta weigh the shoes unless it's over 5 pounds, which I love. You just gotta put them in bubble wrap, get your shoe box, and you just put them inside the shoe box. Easy as that. You see all that space there? I just grabbed one of these big sheets. I just stuff it in there, and that's it. And I write my thank you note. Get that Rolo action. Yes, sir. And then after that, I just stuff that in there. Close it up. And we got both of our orders done. One with the half box, one with the box. That took a little longer than expected, but I hope you guys enjoyed that video where I show you guys how I pack my shoes. I might make more videos like this. I'm making daily TikToks on what I sell, you know, on the day-to-day basis. You know, I just get some small sales coming in and I just record them. Yeah, I just record the shoe first, and then I, you know, basically later on in the day I finish it, I put the numbers together, and I just record that TikTok. But yeah, that's gonna conclude the video where I, you know, you guys see how I ship and how I pack my shoes basically. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you guys want more informative videos like this, go ahead and comment down below. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, you guys. And if you guys have any questions for me, also if you want me to make more, you know, step-by-step videos and stuff like that, let me know too. Or, you know, DM me on Instagram. I can probably help you out. And, you know, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching till the very end, and I'll see you in my next video.